Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about something that will be changing your entire career, which is AI roadmap for college students. But before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel to get all the latest contents related to tech and your college life. So irrespective of whatever department you are from, you can be from mechanical, civil, electrical, EC, even computer science, irrespective of any department you are from, this video is for you if you want to get into AI in 2025. And I just want to cut the noise. Before getting into the topic, you might be confused with terms like generative AI, Gen AI, Agentic AI, AI agents. All these might feel like Gen Z buzz terms, but in this video, we are going to see all this step by step, and by the end of the video, we'll see how you can also become an AI engineer. Think of AI like a stock market. If you enter early and leverage your potential, you'll get maximum returns. It's similarly with AML, and it is currently booming, and it's the right time for you to make the best out of it. No, I'm not from computer science or from artificial intelligence background, but I am an electrical engineer who accidentally took a minor degree in data science, and I had the chance to learn exploratory data analytics, artificial intelligence, neural networks, deep learning, all these stuffs in my college, and that opened doors for me in Edge AI, embedded AI, and business AI. And currently I work as a software engineer. Okay, the first thing is to learn a programming language, which is Python. Python is easy to learn, and a lot of AI stuffs are happening with Python. You need not learn everything in Python because anyway AI is taking care of the coding as well. But you should be aware of the syntax and basic concepts. You should be very good, thorough at the basic concepts so you can understand what is being done with the help of AI. Because in future, AI will write the code for you and you will have to understand what is happening. Focus on Python packages. You can refer to these videos by Free Code Camp. I used it for my personal learning. And second one is mathematics, which is being ignored by everyone. You might have subjects like engineering mathematics. I had 3 papers, engineering mathematics 1, 2 and 3. All these are the basic concepts that is running AI. You see the coding part of it, but not the core mathematic concepts that these are running on. So it is important for you to learn these mathematic concepts. So these are the concepts that are being used heavily in the field of AI. Linear algebra, matrices and determinants, calculus and probability, integration and differentiation. All these seem to be tough topics in case if you are not liking mathematics, but you need not know everything in these concepts. You just need to know all the basic stuffs, how these works. You need not memorize the formula because end of the day, you are going to use these formula to build a model for you. So you just need to know what is being used, where more information on the terms that are being used in each of these formulas. You need not mug these up. And step 3 is exploratory data analytics. I learned it in my college. I was lucky enough, but if you want to learn it, you will be learning on the pre-processing of data, loading of data using NumPy and Pandas, data visualization, and like getting insights from them. So you need to learn exploratory data analytics. So far your basics are set. You have a language, you know the concepts of maths. Now it is at the right time to get into the core concepts. Now step 4, you will be learning machine learning. Machine learning. When it comes to machine learning, there are 2 things that are primarily considered: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. These are perfect for entry level. Present, there are entry level job openings for freshers in machine learning. There are companies which are looking to hire you, do their minimal level of implementation with ML. You can surely learn machine learning. Only once you are done with machine learning, move to deep learning. Deep learning is basically consisting of neural networks. It's all about neural networks and mainly focus on architectures like ANN, CNN, RNN. These are heavily used and these are the basic core concepts of deep learning. Once you're done, you can move to transformers. Transform is the basic architecture behind ChatGPT and other models that are existing at present. Once you're done with deep learning, you can start generative AI. Why do we call it generative AI? We call it generative AI because it generates text, images and videos. You can see VO3 generating videos that are feeling more likely to be real. So we call them as generative AI. So in generative AI specifically, you need to be learning about LangChain, RAG. Learn RAG. RAG is basically retrieval augmented generation. So what it does, it's built on LangChain. You'll also have to learn on fine-tuning models as per your use cases. Like it will help you out to build, like once you start doing this, you can go to Kaggle, attend a lot of of contests. I learned personally by doing a lot of contests and Kaggle and other hackathons. So only by doing you'll be learning. By watching this video you'll not learn. So make sure you have taken the notes of whatever I've told till now. That will help you. And next comes Agentic AI. You can refer to Google's Agent Development Kit, which is recently launched, and I've attached the documentations to it. You can refer to it to build agents. Agentic AI is basically a lot of multiple agents doing your task working together. So that's it. That's the roadmap for artificial intelligence in 2025 for college students. If you like this video, share this to your friends. Make sure you follow me on Instagram for regular tech updates. Anything, any feedback, any queries, you can drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.